Hello and welcome to your channel. Today we will discuss memory clock of CPU. Let's go. Here I have added a CPU. In order to use clock memory, first thing that we need to do is to activate the clock memory of the CPU. For this purpose, you need to go over here, system and clock memory, and then over here, you need to enable clock memory bits. Here you can specify a start address for your clock memory. I use 50. And as you can see, here are your clock memory bits that you have. If you go to PLC tags, over here you will also see all the clock memories that has been created with the start address of 50. Let's use PLCSIM to see how it works. The PLC that I have is a 1200. So I create an instance. Let's download the program. Cannot download it since we didn't specify any password. We need to just uncheck this option, and most probably we need also to check here support simulation during block compilation, otherwise we get an error and we cannot simulate it with PLCSIM. And over here we need also to specify users and roles. Check this one and gives the corresponding rights. Let's see if we can download the program right now to our virtual PLC. Now it has been downloaded to our PLCSIM. We can go to clock memory, and over here we can see the situation of our clock memory. 10 Hz, 5 Hz, 2.5, 2 Hz, 1.25 Hz, 1 Hz. We can demonstrate also in the HMI how it works. For this purpose, we need to add an HMI. Let's go add a new device, HMI. I will go with comfort panel. Skip and press finish. The HMI has been created. I just delete everything that we have over here. We don't have this one, we don't have this one. Over here, can write memory, clock, and over here, we can add some basic objects. For instance, I would like to add um, some of them. And over here, 65. And then over here, we have 1 Hz. 1 Hz. And then the next one, 2 Hz. And 5 Hz should be enough. Firstly, we need to add our tags to the HMI tags over here. Copy and paste. Here, we need to change the acquisition time. Otherwise, it won't be possible to see the changes. And over here, we can go to the appearance and then add this clock. Yes, it will work. And then for the next one, we can do the same. And we will see over here. Over here, we can choose 1 Hz. Also 2 Hz. And the last one, 5 Hz. When it's one, change the background color to green. I will shift everything over here, and then moving, we have also our connection. Let's do the simulation and see how it works. And here is just a demonstration how it works. As you can see, the 5 Hz is the fastest one, and the 0.5 Hz is the slowest one here. That was it. Thank you for your attention. If you want to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.